G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about the camshaft lock tab available for the A series engine to suit your classic Mini or Moke, or even Sprite, depending on what you've got. So what is this and what does it do? Well, it's a lock tab. Why do we need it? Because we need to prevent the camshaft nut coming loose, therefore causing catastrophic damage to your engine. So as you can see, it does have a little nipple sticking out here, which will recess inside the camshaft sprocket. Once it's on there, you then attach the nut on the end, torque it up to the specified torque setting, and then gently bend over at least 3 tabs around here. Like the flywheel lock tab and the crankshaft lock tab, this is generally a one-time use item, meaning that once you've used it once and bent it over, if you have to remove it again, throw it over your shoulder, get yourself another one and replace it. You can reuse it to get yourself out of trouble, but it isn't recommended simply because it could fail. These are worth not a lot of money. It's pretty easy to change, but if you have your components apart, you might as well change this whilst you're there. And like I said, one-time use only as a rule of thumb. This is a really good thing to have, especially when you're doing a rebuild, to ensure that that nut does not come loose, especially on the flywheel, the crankshaft, or even the camshaft. So if you're unsure or have any questions, make sure you hit them up at the phone number listed above or down below at www.minisport.com.au, and we'll see you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.